Hello, everyone. Welcome to the lecture series on health management. In the previous session, we discussed that the classical approach in management is divided into two subcategories. Number 1, scientific management theories, and number 2, general administrative theories. Now, let us discuss the second theory in the classical approach, which is general administrative theory. It is an approach of management that focuses on describing what managers do and what constitutes good management practice. The first management scientist in this theory is Henri Fayol. He was a French engineer and management theorist. Before Fayol, it was generally believed that managers are born, not made. Fayol insisted that management was a skill like any other one that could be taught once its underlying principles were understood. He believed that the success of any enterprise is largely dependent on the administrative ability of its leaders, as opposed to the technical abilities. He gave 14 principles of management. Number 1, division of work. Employees are specialized in different areas, and they have different skills. Work should be divided among individuals and groups to ensure that effort and attention are focused on particular portions of the task. Repeated task increases specialization, which promotes the efficiency of the workforce. For example, in our body, every organ has a specialized task to perform. Number 2, authority and responsibility. The concepts of authority and responsibility are closely related. Authority is the right to give orders and the power to exact obedience. Responsibility is being accountable. Usually, employees are delegated responsibilities, but no authority is given to them. This principle says that whoever assumes authority also assumes responsibility. Number 3, discipline. This principle highlights that a successful organization requires rules and procedures for all employees to follow. Penalties should be applied judiciously to encourage this common effort. Number 4, unity of command. Workers should report to and receive orders from only one manager. It states that every junior staff should receive orders and be accountable to one and only one superior. If an employee receives orders from more than one superior, it will likely create confusion and conflict. Unity of command also makes it easier to fix responsibility for mistakes. Number 5, unity of direction. The entire organization should be moving towards a common goal or objective in a common direction. Number 6, the subordination of individual interests. According to this principle, the interests of one person should not take priority over the interests of the organization as a whole. Number 7, remuneration. This principle enforces fairness in the pay practice of workers. Many variables, such as cost of living, supply of qualified personnel, general business conditions, and business success, should be considered in determining a worker's pay rate. Number 8, degree of centralization. The degree of centralization principle emphasizes the importance of finding the right balance between centralization and decentralization based on the organization's specific needs and circumstances. It involves evaluating the advantages and disadvantages of each approach and aligning decision-making structures with the organization's goals, strategy, and operating environment. Number 9, Scalar Chain. This principle emphasizes the formal chain of command and the flow of communication within an organization. Fayol believed that it is necessary to create an organizational hierarchy. Lower-level managers should always keep upper-level managers informed of their work activities. The existence of a Scalar chain and adherence to it are necessary if the organization is to be successful. Number 10, order. The order principle emphasizes the importance of organizing resources and activities systematically and efficiently. It suggests that organizations should establish a systematic arrangement of resources, materials, equipment, and personnel. However, it is essential to strike a balance between order and flexibility to allow for adaptation to changing circumstances and promote innovation within the organization. Number 11, equity. It is a fundamental concept that emphasizes the importance of treating employees fairly and impartially. It is based on the belief that all individuals within an organization should be treated equitably and without discrimination. Number 12, stability of tenure of personnel. This principle emphasizes the importance of providing job security and stability to employees within an organization. It recognizes the value of long-term employment relationships and the positive impact it can have on both individuals and the organization as a whole. Retaining productive employees should always be a high priority of management. The organization must focus on reducing turnover, which will reduce recruitment and training costs and will contribute to organizational stability. It is important to note that this principle does not imply that employees should be retained regardless of their performance or organizational needs. Number 13, initiative. This refers to encouraging and empowering employees to take the initiative in their work and make independent decisions within their roles and responsibilities. It recognizes the value of employee autonomy, proactiveness, and creativity in driving organizational success. Number 14, Esprit De Corps. This principle emphasizes the importance of fostering a spirit of unity, camaraderie, and teamwork among individuals within an organization. It recognizes the power of collective effort and a positive organizational culture in achieving common goals. It is management's responsibility to improve morale and promote a sense of unity in the organization. Thus, the 14 principles of management are: Number 1, division of work. Number 2, authority and responsibility. Number 3, discipline. Number 4, unity of command. Number 5, unity of direction. Number 6, the subordination of individual interests. Number 7, remuneration. Number 8, degree of centralization. Number 9, Scalar Chain. Number 10, order. Number 11, equity. Number 12, stability of tenure of personnel. Number 13, initiative. And number 14, Esprit De Corps,